Community energy is people taking power, quite literally, back into their hands to tackle the climate crisis along with things like the cost of living crisis at the same time.
We are not doing enough. We need to make a change.
It's not enough to just be giving people a handout of money as a one-off payment. What they actually need is for their homes to be insulated so that they're not having to pay for more energy in the long term.
Working as an individual won't work, but working as a community definitely will work.
Governments need to stop prioritising profit over the world we live in.
Hoffwn ni weld mwy o hyfforddiant gyda plumbers, gallu defnyddio'r heat pumps yn well a gallu bod yna digon o bobl o gwmpas I osod nhw.
What I like to see is the UK government to be honest about the climate crisis and the social injustice.
The black community are mainly on low income and they will really need support this winter.
Dwi'n credu mai un arf pwysig I daclo'r argyfwng yma yng Nghymru ydy Llywodraeth Cymru ymbyweru ag arfogi cymunedau drwy gynnig cefnogaeth a cyllideb I grwpiau cymunedol fynd ati I daclo pethau yn lleol.
We just need to get on with it. We just cannot afford to wait.
I think we can help the planet by planting more fruit trees to enable sustainable living.
So I would like to see more inclusive green spaces and having it a little bit more diverse and also planting with nature in mind. I'm really big on permaculture, so I'm really trying to recreate that in this garden and make sure we have a lot more food growing for picking and sharing within the community.
Here in Solva, where I live, we've got an airfield which could be a solar park. Now, why isn't that happening? Why doesn't the government help us to enable us to tap into the huge resources which are falling on our planet every day for nothing? I'm so passionate about harvesting solar power to keep our people warm.
If we are giving more into the community and sharing with each other, it's going to be a lot kinder with each other and to the environment. So we do need to relook at what we do.
Warm this winter.